Never invest in a business you cannot understand. Warren Buffett's wisdom rings as a clarion call to you, the discerning investor at the threshold of discovery. This video is more than an exploration of a principle. It's an invitation to join an elite cadre of individuals who see beyond mere numbers to the stories and futures of the companies they invest in. Welcome to your daily dose of wealth wisdom. As we embark on this journey together, pay attention, for the path to wealth is paved not with hasty decisions, but with understanding and insight. You're not just watching another video. You're stepping into a realm where informed decisions open the door to prosperity. Are you ready to transform your approach to investing? Let's delve into a world where clarity and patience become your most trusted allies. Investing is an act of faith in the future of a business. But how can you commit to a future you don't understand? The story of Warren Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola is a testament to the power of understanding not just the financials, but the universal appeal and enduring value of a brand. It's your turn now. Look at your investments. Do they reflect understanding, or are they mere gambles? Complexity can be the enemy of success. In a landscape filled with intricate financial products, the allure of simplicity and transparency has never been stronger. Buffett's approach underscores the value of investing in businesses with models clear enough to be explained to a child. This clarity is your shield against the unpredictable. Your next step will be to sift through the noise and find those gems of simplicity. Begin with what you know, leveraging your personal and professional insights to identify businesses whose stories resonate with you and whose models you comprehend. Your education is of utmost importance in your wealth-building journey. By subscribing to this channel for your daily dose of wealth wisdom, you honor that commitment to education. The bedrock of understanding is thorough research. Dive deep into the companies that catch your eye, exploring their market position, competitive advantages, and growth prospects. Pay attention. The goal is not just to gather information, but to weave it into a coherent narrative of understanding. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, patience is a rare commodity. Yet it is patience that often separates the successful investor from the rest. Reflect on the growth stories of Amazon and Apple. Behind their ascent lies not just innovation, but the patience of investors who believed in their futures. Balancing your portfolio is more art than science, influenced by your level of understanding and risk tolerance. Whether you choose a diversified approach or a concentrated one, let understanding be your guide. Remember, a portfolio built on insight and conviction is your strongest asset. Now it's time to apply these principles. Start with sectors you're familiar with, using your insights as a springboard to identify companies with clear, understandable models and solid growth potential. Investing is not a set-and-forget endeavor. Stay engaged, monitoring your investments, and being ready to adjust your strategy based on evolving understandings and market conditions. Look to the stories of investors who've tread this path before you. From those who've capitalized on the tech revolution to others who've found value in more traditional industries, these narratives provide a roadmap for informed investing. Armed with understanding, clarity, and patience, you stand on the brink of transforming your investment strategy. This is not just about wealth. It's about becoming part of the success stories you believe in. Your next step is clear. Delve deeper, invest smarter, and watch as doors previously closed begin to open. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. You're part of an exclusive group, armed with knowledge and insight, poised to make investment decisions that transcend the ordinary. Write yes in the comments if you want to join our community of the future rich. Wealth isn't just a possibility. It's a certainty for those who choose to embrace understanding and patience in their investment endeavors. Pay attention, for the principles we've discussed are more than strategies. They're the keys to unlocking a future of prosperity and success. The path ahead is yours to chart, and it promises a journey not just to financial wealth, but to a deeper understanding of the business world and your place within it.